So Martin, here we are again. End of 2025.
Wow.
Where did the year go?
Went fast, too fast, but we're having fun, aren't we?
We definitely are having fun. It has been a better year, 25 versus 24. Not where we needed it to be, but it's not all bad news. There are some positives, improvements in productivity versus several years ago. And an increase in earned out, which is what we need.
Yeah.
There's still a distance to travel before we get to where we need to be ready to start 2026.
Sure, but we need to embrace the positives as well.
Definitely. We have the material around us. We have the machines.
Other people.
They have the people. And that's what today is really about. It's about reflecting on some really memorable moments we've had through the year, connected to our people. And I really want to start with our amazing safety record. More than 1,000 days without an LTA. I mean, how amazing is that?
Congratulations.
To everybody.
Yeah. Well, I can think of Material Solutions, for instance. I think it's quite exciting to see the growth team. The first machine will be here by end 26. Laser deposition equipment and external funding. Quite good.
Good story.
Not to forget what's soon to happen just outside here with the boat out. Påbygging in very fluent Norwegian. Hopefully to be finished by late summer next year. With the machine also coming in at the same time, September-ish, I think. So and that's a very good capacity. Especially in the growing of shafts in Norway, with a part funding for Safran.
Which is an amazing result.
Absolutely.
To have our customers support us in this journey. And at the same time, we get to learn some new skills on a new piece of equipment. I'm going to go back to something a bit softer now.
No.
One of my favourite days of the year, Family's Day, which was called Family's Day, but it was for everybody, and everybody who turned up seemed to have a lot of fun. I will not forget the jump off between the basketball team and Karsten Warholm. That was just really comical. It's just really so important to bring families together because we spend a lot of time together at work, and people would love to spend more time together with their families. Why not bring the two together so we get to know the whole picture?
I wasn't there, unfortunately. But I went twice to Trollhättan this year. Twice. First of all, we had this very good, nice, extremely good summer party at Trollhättan. I really liked that. That was a good fun. I think people enjoyed themselves. We had this air show with the Spitfires. And then I went for the air show in September, I think. And that was a very good thing. I mean, that was a record crowd. I was very good attendance and very good sponsorship. I was quite proud of walking in that area, looking at, Spitfire, of course, but also the C-130, the Hercules, which brings back memories to my military service. Not to mention, or not to forget, the F-16, F-35. Brilliant. What a lot of noise.
Nothing quite like a fighter jet.
Exactly.
So, Kongsberg has an amazing ability to bring people together. Kongsberg Agenda, which obviously we play a big part in. Being able to share the main stage on the Saturday with together with the Team Warholm, talking about teamwork and ownership and the things that are at the very heart of how we need to operate here. That was a good moment. And really shows the parallels between our own values here in GKN and the values of Team Warholm together. We do have a lot in common. And because through that arrangement with Karsten, we've been able to make significant strides on our social media presence, really showcasing the business that we are and the values that we hold. And it's been recognised with surveys showing that we are improving our rating on an attractiveness of employment places.
And not to forget, a great welcome to the first graduate trainee in the company. Hello, Emilia York, who joined the business in August. Very exciting to see. along with a group of new apprentices.
Contributing so much to the future of the organisation. So, sitting here, smelling the cakes with Lucia, reflecting on where we're going to go. 2026 must be a better year again. A real step up. We're going to mark the milestone of the 50th year since the F-16 offset agreement, which of course we still make components that go all the way back to that original agreement, which is a fantastic heritage to be able to celebrate. And there's going to be things to come where we actually mark and share stories for that 50-year journey.
So I'm looking forward to that.
And I want to finish with a thank you to everybody for 2025. And go you.
For you. Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas.